Very good morning, my friends. I hope you are all well and safe in the pandemic situation. Today I am going to discuss about the poem Ode to a Nightingale and its most important questions, which is very important to crack SSC examination and also school examination. First of all, Ode to a Nightingale was written by John Keats. And next question is, when was the poem written? The poem Ode to a Nightingale was written in 1819, in between 26th April and 18th May. Next question, where was the poem composed? The poem was composed at the Hampstead House, possibly while the poet was sitting beneath the palm tree in the garden. And the next question is, what is the structure of the poem? The answer is, the poem is a combination of elements from Petrarchan sonnet and Shakespearean sonnets. Next question, what type of ode the poem is? Answer is, the poem is a regular or Horatian type of ode, isn't it? And next question is, how many stanzas are there in the poem? The answer is, there are 8 stanzas in the poem Ode to a Nightingale. And the next question is, how many lines are there in each stanza? Answer is, there are 10 lines in each stanza of the poem. And next question, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? The rhyme scheme of the poem is AB, AB, CDE, CDE. And you look the overall question of the today's solution. I hope it will help you to understand the basic idea of that poem and the background of the poem, which can help you in SSC examination and also school examination. That's all, and so for today. If you are happy with that lesson and learn with the lesson, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you can get new notification for new video of interesting topic. Bye bye, have a great day.